Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog and I am Za and this is Za Canada channel. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe lately at kung hindi pa, mag-subscribe na po kayo. Well, anyway, in my channel, we talk about different immigration updates, daily life of an immigrant dito sa Canada at life namin at kung ano-ano pa. Today, we have a new topic and our topic is all about Job Bank Canada 2026. Paano nga ba maghanap ng legitimate job dito sa Canada, especially nung nilabas nga nila yung low-wage LMIA to some cities na may under 6% unemployment rate. Paano nga ba makakuha ng legitimate job na mag-a-apply sa'yo ng LMIA para makapunta ka agad dito sa Canada. Panoorin hanggang dulo. So ano nga ba si Job Bank? Si Job Bank is an official IRCC website kung saan pinapost ng mga employer yung mga job nila at eventually, kung wala silang nakuha na Canadian or permanent resident na qualified dun sa position, then they can eventually apply for an LMIA together with other requirements or documents. So ngayon, in Job Bank, if you try to filter it, kung i-filter nyo yung mga jobs doon, there is this thing called LMIA approved or LMIA requested. So ano nga ba talagang ibig sabihin niyan para doon sa mga naghahanap ng employer na Canada, na ready na? Okay, so what is LMIA requested? Pag sinabi nating LMIA requested, ito yung mga employer na nag-apply or is applying for an LMIA, meaning wala pa silang positive LMIA decision. Naipasa pa lang nila yung mga documents sa ESDC. So which means na nag-aantay pa sila kung positive or negative ba yung application nila. Okay? Kumbaga, in process, in route, in transit, hindi pa, wala pa. Okay? So, medyo matagal ito. It really depends dun sa stream na ina-applyan nyo. Kasi may may tinatawag na low wage stream, may tinatawag na high wage stream, agricultural stream, PR stream, TR to PR stream, yung permanent residency stream, parang ganyan. So depende sa stream yung processing time. Normally it takes from 30 to 30 business days to 60 business days or more. Depende. So, check nyo yung website. Nandito naman nakalagay kung ano yung processing time. So, LMIA approved. Ayan. Mas maganda to. Mas maganda kung LMIA approved na yung employer dun sa Job Bank. Kasi, if they have an LMIA approved status, which means that this one is stronger. When they can already apply for a work permit with your name on it as long as you are qualified to the position. And sasabihin ko lang, at syempre, kung malapit na mag-expire yung work permit mo, it will be wisely kung ang hahanapin mo na job is yung LMIA approved na so that they can just apply for a new work permit for you together with other requirements ka, kagaya nga na sinabi ko kanina. Tips sa Job Bank, paano nga ba maghanap talaga ng legitimate employer or ng employer na may LMIA approved or LMIA requested. So, you just have to go to the website. I'm going to post the link ng job bank dyan sa baba, dun sa description box. Then, you just have to use the filters. Put the job title. For example, if you're looking for an early childhood educator job, then put ECE or early childhood educator or daycare worker. Ayan, yan yung mga yan yung mga keyword if you'd like to work in a daycare center here in Canada. Tapos, if you have any province, kung gusto niyo namang mag-target ng province na gusto niyo puntahan, especially dito sa Vancouver, Vancouver has a CMA of lower than 6% as of posting this video, okay? Pag napanood mo tong video na to, like after a few months, i-check mo ulit kung ano yung unemployment rate, okay? Pero as of posting this video, 6%, okay? 6% pa rin yung unemployment rate dito sa Vancouver. So, province, full-time, of course, and the skill level. Skill level, yan yung yung normally yun yung NOC. Halimbawa, tier 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, depende yan. Pag ang ECE, tier 2 yan. Okay? And, LMIA status. So, piliin. So, you just have to go to LMIA status. Piliin yung LMIA approved muna para dun sa faster result, and check mo rin yung LMIA requested para sa mas maraming options. So you just have to make sure that you target jobs directly posted by employers and not middleman. Hindi yung mga agency, para diretso kayo agad sa employer, para yung mismong manager or mismong hiring representative or yung HR, or minsan naman bihira, pag malaking kumpanya dito sa Canada, dun lang naman dumadaan sa HR. But mostly managers yung mga nagko-qualify dun sa mga tao. Okay? And always check wage, duties, and exact requirements. So make sure na yung wage na nakapost is tama dun sa province, tama dun sa job na ina-applyan mo, and of course the duties. Kung may work experience ka, check mo yung duties na nakalagay doon, kung qualified ka ba or hindi, and the exact requirements. So before you send an email or before you send an application, make sure that you qualify for the job. And how to qualify for the job? How to know if you are qualified for that job? So you have to prepare a Canadian-style resume or cover letter. Or cover letter. Sometimes, di naman nila kailangan yung cover letter. Tinitingnan lang nila kung may experience ka talaga dun sa ina-applyan mo. And use keywords from job posting on your resume. So once again, if you like to work in a daycare center, then napakaraming keyword yan. Minsan, infant, toddler, preschool, ECE, early childhood, lahat ng mga keyword, ilagay nyo na. Tingnan nyo lahat. Tapos, filter from them and applyan nyo lang. Imposibleng walang mag-aalo sa inyo dyan. Walang magre-reply. So, try lang. So, highlight direct matching experience and follow up after applying. So, if you didn't hear from them, then you may want to follow up your application, create another cover letter, and send them an email. So, if they have their direct email address in that in the job posting itself, then send them a direct message. Pero once again, warning lang, marami pa ring fake job posting na may LMIA tags pero hindi legit. Okay? Kaya lagi i-verify. I-verify ng bonggang-bongga. So you just have to Google the employer. So check if the employer is in business, it's running, legitimate, meron silang mga Google reviews, i-check nyo lahat. Then, look for an official company email, okay? If preferred, if they have an employer website, if they have their own website, mas maganda. And never pay employer's fees. Okay? LMIA is employer's responsibility. Okay? Sila yung nagpa-process nila niyan para sa inyo. Okay? And real job postings should never ask you to pay money to get to work. Gaya nga na sinabi ko dun sa mga nakaraang video ko, walang manloloko, walang magpapaloko. So, maging wais tayo. Okay, so yan na nga. So, dyan ang practical Job Bank Pro search tips at clear explanation ng LMIA approved and LMIA requested. So, if you have any other questions or inspiring stories, ayan, lumalakad yung email ko dyan. Don't hesitate to send me an email. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification or bell icon para updated kayo sa mga bago kong videos. Okay? At laging tatandaan, hindi kailangan maraming pera, basta may peace of mind. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.